So as we had just discussed in the tutorial about the two tools, one is brush tool and another one is pencil tool. Okay. So first of all, what is the use of the brush tool? Whenever we have to mark some stroke on our screen, either it is an image or it is a blank page, then we use the brush tool. Okay. So from where you can take this brush tool? In this tools panel, you can see the brush tool over here, right? When you're going to click over here, you will be finding the first tool as brush tool. Okay. When you're going to choose it, you will be getting a brush. Okay. And the size of this brush you can change. How you can change? In the options bar, here you will find a brush preset picker. This one box is known as brush preset picker. And in this, when you're going to click over here, you can find these two options. One is for the size. Second one is for the hardness. Now, what is the difference between both? Size. It means it is going to decide the stroke size. Okay. And the hardness means how much bold your stroke will be. It depends upon its hardness. Okay. Let's try a few strokes with the different size and different hardness. Okay. So first of all, I had choose the mid one size. Okay. With the 5% hardness. Let's see what kind of brush it will be. Can you see that? It's a bit blurry brush, right? But when I'm going to choose the same brush with a different size or the same size but with a different hardness, instead of 5 this time I had choose 55 or maybe more than that, right? I had just increased my hardness. Then what will happen? You can see my stroke is bolder now, right? Let's mark both the strokes together, then you can understand the difference well. Can you see that? Okay. Here in both the strokes, the one is with the more hardness and the second one is with the less hardness. Can you tell me in this first one stroke, hardness is more or less? More. And in the second one, hardness is less. It means when your hardness is less, your stroke is not that bold, right? But when you are going to increase your hardness, that means your stroke will be much bolder now. Okay. Now we can use this brush tool to make stroke as I had just told you. But even in the strokes, we have so many varieties. Like while painting, you are having the different brushes. One you use for the outlining only, and another to fill the colors in that, the flat brush, right? In the similar way, we are having different brush styles in this. And it is present over here. Okay. You can choose any of the brush style that you want. For example, if I had choose this brush, stroke is in this way. You can see the stroke, right? But if I'm going to choose it and let's take a flat brush, then it will be a bit different from the previous one, right? In the similar way, we are having much more different styles for the brushes and each one will have their own stroke style. Okay. Now the thing is, are we going to use this brush just to mark the lines on it? Or can we do something else also with it? Okay, let's use your imagination and think about it. हम brush से क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? You can paint anything. You can fill colors. What else you can do? You can try to yes, very nice. We can try something. We can try something new. Okay, we can paint something. We can add some effects using it, right? Okay. Here I'm going to use a brush, this one brush, okay? And then the foreground is color is going to be used as a stroke, right? So I'm going to choose my foreground color, a different foreground color, bit darker one, okay? Then instead of this brush, I had choose a different brush. Suppose this one, okay? Then I want the sizes to be increased. I had increased the size, the much I want, right? After that, I'm going to use it as this. Which means you can also give some effects, right? This is shadow dete na? So in the similar way, you can also give some shading to your image. using the same brush tool, right? And it is not just all. There are few things left still in the options bar. You can see when you're going to use this brush tool, you will be finding opacity tool. Opacity is like hardness. The more the opacity, the bolder your stroke will be. जब आप opacity कम कर दोगे, इसको decrease कर दोगे, तो आपकी जो stroke है वो bit transparent हो जाएगी. ठीक है? Transparent means where you can see the background too. Okay? तो it is like the hardness. जब opacity ज़्यादा होती है, जब hardness ज़्यादा होती है, तब हमारी stroke जो है bolder होती है. और जब ये दोनों चीजें हम decrease कर देते हैं, then हमारी stroke थोड़ी transparent हो जाती है और इतनी bold नहीं रहती. Is that clear? Brush tool में कोई doubt? Anybody? Sure? Okay. Then you had learned about the features of the brush tool. We are having one more tool. Let's take a new picture this time. On this, we will try the new tool, okay? So here, in the same brush tool, when you're going to right click, you will be finding other tools also in the same category, in the same button, okay? So you can see here it is a pencil tool also available. Why we should use pencil tool here? Pencil tool is similar to the brush tool. Only difference is you can get some more hardness in that. Okay? हम pencil कब use करते हैं? When we are drawing something, right? So similar way से if you have to draw something free-handedly or you have to write some text in your own handwriting, then we are going to use this pencil tool. Okay? Let's see what we can do using a pencil tool. So this is my own handwriting, right? किसी भी फोन में exact handwriting मुझे नहीं मिल सकती थी अगर if we are using a text tool. So what I had choose is I had choose a pencil and then going to write my text in my own font. Okay. Similar way you can draw something using it, like I have to draw a star or something else that I want, right? So this can be done through the pencil tool. But it is not that we are having the limitation कि pencil में सिर्फ single shade मिलेगा or single size मिलेगा or something like that. Option bar is always there, right? And this option bar is actually providing a variety to us. सेम वैसे जैसे हम एक सिंगल शॉप में जाते हैं तो हमें वैरायटी कम मिलती है ना, बट जब हम मॉल में चले जाते हैं तो डिफरेंट वैरायटीज आर देयर, राइट? सिमिलर वे से इस ऑप्शन बार में हमें बहुत सारी वैरायटीज मिल जाती है. व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू चूज दिस इज पेंसिल प्रीसेट पिकर. ओके, जब ब्रश टूल यूज किया था तो इसको ब्रश प्रीसेट पिकर बोलते थे, राइट? अब पेंसिल है तो दिस इज पेंसिल प्रीसेट पिकर. So when we are going to choose, same things are available over here also. Okay, so you can choose the different size and your hardness, right? And accordingly आपकी पेंसिल का जो है स्टाइल चेंज हो जाएगा. Here साइज इंक्रीज हुआ तो ऑब्वियसली जो थिकनेस है उसकी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, राइट? अब इट इज सेम एज कि हम HB की पेंसिल लेते हैं या कोई और ब्रांड की, है ना, तो उससे हमारी जो स्ट्रोक स्टाइल है वो भी चेंज हो जाता है. अब कुछ पेंसिल आती है जो ज्यादा बोल्ड होती है ना, लिखते हैं तो क्लियर होता है बिल्कुल इमेज में भी इवन, बट कुछ होती है जो बहुत लाइट होती है शेड में, लिखने के बाद अगर इमेज क्लिक करे तो फ्लैश से उसको पता ही नहीं चलता, राइट? सिमिलर वे से इसमें भी हमारे पास डिफरेंट पेंसिल की वेराइटीज हैं, ठीक है, साइज की हो या हार्डनेस की हो. ओके, आफ्टर दिस what else purpose we can use this pencil tool? अब हम खुद के डिजाइन भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अब यहाँ पे साइज थोड़ा सा ज्यादा था तो आई एम गोइंग टू डिक्रीज इट अ बिट. अब मान लो मैंने बॉर्डर क्रिएट करना है तो बॉर्डर में अपनी ही कोई लाइन इस तरह से आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो, ठीक है? एक इमेज ली, उसको खुद से बॉर्डर देना हमने, है ना, प्री डिफाइंड बॉर्डर हमारे पास कोई नहीं है, तो इस तरह से आप लाइन क्रिएट करके एक इमेज का बॉर्डर भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? सो हमने 3 पर्पसेस के लिए अभी यूज किया है. टू ड्रॉ फ्री-हैंडेडली, राइट, टू राइट टेक्स्ट, and the third one is to create something, either it is a border, either it is a design or something else, right? So you can use it for all 3 purposes. Then next, one more tool that we are going to discuss today is your spot healing tool. Now what does that mean, spot healing? What is that spot healing? Spots क्या होते हैं?
Like dot.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Samin. Okay. Something else? Yes.
Something is unwanted and we want to repair it, we can use what.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Whenever we got some scars on our skin or some spots because of pimples or any other skin allergy, that are the spots for us, right? That nobody wants the spot on their face, especially, right? So whenever, suppose you are going to attend a function or you are having some spots, right? But after that, when you want to see your album, do you want that should be there for the whole life? Because album में तो जो print हो गया, it will be there for the whole life, right? Do we want that? Nobody wants, है ना? Picture तो हमें perfect चाहिए होती है always. So what we can do is, here I'm having something. Let's take a new picture. Over there we will use the spot healing tool. Okay, so I'm having this blank screen where I'm going to place a picture, जिसमें एक पिक्चर मैंने ली है जिसमें उस फेस के ऊपर कुछ स्कार्स थे, कुछ स्पॉट्स थे. ठीक है, so I'm going to use this picture to use my spot healing tool. Okay, now why I'm going to use it? First of all, डबल क्लिक करके मैंने पिक्चर एडजस्ट कर दी, राइट? अब मैं इसका साइज थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज कर रही हूँ सो दैट आपको क्लियरली विजिबल हो जाए. इज इट प्रॉपरली विजिबल? और ये इसका स्पॉट भी नजर आ रहा है ना? सो वी वांट टू रिमूव दैट स्पॉट बिकॉज वंस ये क्लिक्स लाइफ लॉन्ग हमारे पास रहती है ना, तो इनको परफेक्ट करने के लिए हम यहाँ पे स्पॉट हीलिंग टूल जो है वो यूज करेंगे. अब उसका पर्पस क्या है स्पॉट हीलिंग का? टू रिमूव द स्पॉट, राइट? हील करता, उसको कवर अप कर देता ताकि वी कैन रिमूव दिस स्कार. Okay, now how we should use it? First of all, in the tools panel, it is available on the 5th place, right? In this spot healing brush tool, you just need to okay, this picture is rasterized. So we have to use a spot healing tool. Now it's working. Okay, look at this. Spot healing क्या करता है? It is going to pick the colors on the sides and going to fill that color where you are going to spot it. Okay, suppose that ये जो scars हैं, इतना इतना एरिया भी है जिसमें scars नजर आ रहे हैं, spots नजर आ रहे हैं, but इसके face की बाकी sides पे तो एरिया क्लियर है. Like on the other cheek, it is very clear. In the similar way, यहाँ पे भी कुछ एरिया है जहाँ पे वो बिल्कुल क्लियर नजर आ रहा है ना? फेस बिल्कुल क्लियर है, सिर्फ इतना ही पोर्शन है जो हमें ठीक करना है, उसको हील अप करना है, हीलिंग करनी है उसकी. देन व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज, हमने यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है साइड में, ठीक है, जहाँ पे वो एरिया थोड़ा सा ठीक है, और फिल करना है. जैसे ही क्लिक करोगे उसके सराउंडिंग का जो एरिया है ना, वो वहां से पिक करेगा एंड रिमूव करना शुरू कर देगा. सिमिलर वे से आप इस तरह से भी स्ट्रोक्स लगा सकते हो. तो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन इज, वो साइड में जो इसका एरिया था उसने यहाँ से कलर पिकअप किया और फिर करने के बाद इसको यहाँ पे फिल कर दिया. इज दैट क्लियर नाउ? सो इस तरह से आप अपने पिक्चर्स को ठीक कर सकते हो. आइस? यस ऑफ कोर्स. अच्छा, एक स्पॉट हीलिंग में एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है, जहां पर आप क्लिक करोगे ना, हमेशा उसके सराउंडिंग का एरिया पिक करेगा. सो दैट मस्ट बी क्लियर. सपोज मैं यहाँ पे आइस के अराउंड का एरिया क्लियर करना चाहती हूँ, वो क्या कर रहा है, यहाँ और ब्लैक स्पॉट्स बना रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि वेयर आई एम क्लिकिंग उसके सराउंडिंग में उसको ब्लैक कलर ही मिल रहा होंगे, राइट? सो दैट इज वाई आपको वहीं क्लिक करना है जहाँ सराउंडिंग का एरिया ठीक हो. ऐसा ना हो कि सराउंडिंग उससे भी खराब थी और वो स्पॉट्स हटने की बजाय और ज्यादा डार्क हो. ठीक है, सो यू मस्ट बी केयरफुल विद इट. ओके, सो वी हैव डिड 3 tools, right? One is brush tool, second is pencil tool, third one is okay, write down now. You have to note down few questions. Whenever you're going to use the brush tool, right? So write down two options available. Two options. No. I'm just telling you about the brush tool. You have to note it down. Two options available. Should I note it down over here on the screen? Okay, fine. Yes, come in. Okay. Right. Two options available. Is it clearly visible now? Right? Okay. So note it down. Write two options available in brush preset picker present in the options bar.
Size and hardness.
Very good. It's size and hardness. So this is something that we are going to choose from this brush preset picker. The one is size and the another thing is hardness. Is this two option same for anything else also?
Yes, brush tool.
Pencil tool. As we are already talking about the brush tool, so this is also similar to the pencil tool also. So there you will be having the same two options available in options bar, but this time instead of brush preset picker, you will be having it in, where you will be having it in?
Pencil.
Pencil preset picker. Good. So you can find it in pencil preset picker, and the option will be same as size and hardness. Is that clear? So we can choose different size as well as different kind of hardness for our pencil or for our brush. Next is, which color is used for strokes or for drawing strokes with pencil or brush tool? So हमें कलर यहाँ पे बताना है कि कौन सा कलर हम यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर क्रिएटिंग द स्ट्रोक्स, either it is with the pencil tool or it is with the brush tool. Foreground color, as we had just discussed, there are two colors, foreground as well as background. So here the color which is going to be used is your foreground color. Good, beta. And can we change that foreground color? Yes, we can easily replace it with any other required color, right? Okay. As we had not discussed about spot healing earlier, so you need to define it. Define spot healing tool. Okay, either you can pronounce it as spot healing brush tool or just spot healing tool. Okay, both are correct. So you need to define it, why we are using it and what is the purpose behind it. What? Yes.
Spot cleaning tool is used to clear the spots on a face.
Good. Yes, Rhythm.
Spot tool is to remove the scars or spots.
Very good. Yes, Rhythm.
Spot cleaning tool is used to get the imperfections from the image like blemishes, spots, scratches.
That's very correct. Yes.
Spot tool is used to remove the spots with the color surrounding one.
Very nice. Very nice. So note it down. It is a tool used to clear the imperfections from the image or from the images like dark spots. Now, either it can be a dark spot or something else, right? So we are going to mention that. Or blemishes, etc. Okay? Not visible to you? Sure, sure. Okay.